We are heading to the end of the year. Cold weather, snow and ice. The holidays are upon us. Many of us give gifts around the holidays, but maybe this year you're wondering if you should make a substantial gift instead of the usual pair of socks. Here to talk about the ins and outs of end-of-year gifting is my legal partner, Mike Solomon.
Hi, Lori.
So welcome back to the show.
Thank you, thank you.
So what do we actually need to know about gifting? I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. You give a gift and that's it.
Actually, it is. If you just follow the rules, it should be very simple what you do.
All right. So can you give us a rundown of these rules?
Okay, basically, first of all, an important rule is how much you can give away. Every year you can give away gift tax-free $14,000 per person, per child, grandchild, or friend. This is called the annual exclusion. So you can do that, and let me give you an example. Let's say you want to give money to children and grandchildren. You have a total of 10. You give $14,000 each one, that's $140,000. No gift tax due on that.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And if you have a spouse, you can double that even, right?
That's right, that's right.
All right. That's a lot of money that's gifted gift tax free. Now, my worry is, though, then do my children and grandchildren have to pay income taxes on that?
No, when you receive a gift, there's no income tax. So the money comes to the children and grandchildren free of any taxes. Of course, any money they earn, if they invest that money they receive, then of course they're going to pay income taxes on that, but there's no tax on the gift.
Wow, okay. So, but what if I don't have cash? What if I want to give stocks or real estate? Is that possible?
Yes, you can do that. Again, it's important to note that the value of the asset you're giving is the gift, whether it's real estate or stocks. But another important rule to think about is called the tax basis rule. Let me give you an example. If you bought Google stock for $1, and it grew to a little over $1,000, and you give that stock away, your children or grandchildren are going to get that same basis. They're going to be treated as if they bought it for $1. So when they turn around and sell it, they're going to pay capital gains, just like you would have done. So that still follows them. So you ought to be careful on what assets you're giving away to try to think about the income tax consequences also.
Okay. Well, what if I give money to my granddaughter to buy a car, or I buy her a car directly?
Well, that's still a gift. So if you go out and buy a new car for your granddaughter and you give the title to your granddaughter, that's the same as if you gave her the cash directly. It's still a gift.
Okay, but it's hard to find a car worth under $14,000. So what happens if I go over the $14,000 limit for that?
Okay, well, that's people misunderstand that. So the $14,000 amount I was talking about is called the annual exclusion. On top of that, during your life, you can, or on your passing, you can pass $5,450,000 away. So
just a little.
That's right. So if you gave, let's say you bought the $30,000 car and you gave it to your granddaughter. So the amount above $14,000, you've dipped $16,000 in my example. You've dipped into your exemption of $5,450,000, so you can still have more to give away. Or on your passing, that amount would exempt those amount of dollars from estate taxes. The only thing you have to do, though, if you get above that $14,000, then you have to file a gift tax return. That basically tells the IRS, oh, I've given away a lot of money. Here's how much of my lifetime exemption I have left.
Okay. It does sound like you got to pay attention to the rules.
That's right.
They say it's better to give than to receive, but with these gifting rules, both giver and receiver do very well. Have questions about gifting or receiving? Give Mike a call. His number's next.
Call Solomon, Steiner and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, knee replacement is revolutionary, but is it always the answer? We have information. Then we'll promote the power of a power of attorney. Medicare open enrollment will end soon and we have advice and options. But until then, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
If you'd like to join our kitchen conversation, visit our website, www.goldenopportunities.tv. Like us on Facebook. Call us at 440-742-GO-TV or email us at kitchen@goldenopportunities.tv. We'd love to hear from you.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.